Hi submarine friends, welcome to my very messy shop. Today is a cleaning up day before I get started. So I have my alternators mounted. I'm just waiting for parts. I need my idler pulleys before I can continue fabricating because they need to be in just the right spot, and I hate building things without having the part to size it as I go. So last time I weighed this thing and I didn't tell you guys the weight, so the weight is 730 pounds. I had one guess of 760 pounds, 12 ounces. That was pretty funny, but it was also the closest, I think. So I have decided to make a change to this. I'm going to rubber mount the engine and I'm going to solid mount the engine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy a longer coupler for the exhaust. So I just bought a little short 3-inch coupler, it's on the way, but I'm going to switch that to a 12-inch coupler so that the engine can move a little bit more. I've been extremely paranoid about the exhaust system failing and cracking and having exhaust come inside the hull, which would be bad. But I'm jumping to conclusions and assuming that that will happen. So I'm going to try rubber mounting at first, but I'm going to have solid mounts as backup. So it'll be very difficult to change that once everything is in the sub and the sub is operating. So the solid mounts will be there, but just no pins. So all I'll have to do is put a bushing in and a pin and it's solid mount, if it's a problem. Now I came to this conclusion because comments were made about the solid mounting, and so, made me second guess that choice. So that's the nice thing about YouTube. I get input from other people, which is good. I'm quite good at designing and building submarines, but this is all new to me. This whole compressor, engine, everything like that being in the sub, it's all brand new. So I definitely will take input from people on that aspect. Well, all aspects actually. I mean, nobody knows everything. So that's what's happening here. So now I'm going to start working on the hull again. I need to make the reinforcing rings now for the hull. I need 3 reinforcing rings that are a 5/8 web, no, a 5/8 ring and a 3/8 web. So I'm going to cut those out today and start bending, and hopefully that'll go good. It's just a lot of torch cutting. I could buy the material, but I've got the material here. I may as well just cut it out and use it. Saves me a bunch of money. Steel's really expensive right now. Then I have to move on to the nozzle, but one thing at a time. I'll set this aside and I'll get to work on the rings. So that's what's happening today. Ciao.